Hi all, I am your Hishika. Today I want to share you the techniques of pranayama. I think you might have heard about yoga. If anybody say yoga, you will get one word in mind that yoga is only for elders. No, it's completely wrong. Yoga is good for age group 12 to more than age group, there endless age group. Yes, so I am a yoga instructor. I completed my yoga instructor course from Bangalore University. Today I am going to share with you some pranayama techniques which helps to improve your lungs capacity, and this capacity helps you to cure from coronavirus also. It improves your immunity and it gives you relaxation. Let's start. Yeah. Pranayama consists of three types. One is Surya Bedi Pranayama, Chandra Bedi Pranayama, and Nadi Bedi Pranayama. Now I am going to show you Surya Bedi Pranayama technique. You have to sit straight like this, backbone should straight, and take your hand like a fistful size like this, and close your one nostril. Okay, and when you close the nostril, you have to take air 3 times faster and leave the air 3 times slower from the one nostril. So let's start Surya Bedi Pranayama. This is my hand size, hand shape. I am closing one nostril and taking air 3 times faster. Let's do now. This is 3 faster, and again I am taking 3 slower. This is Surya Bedi Pranayama. And let's see the Chandra Bedi Pranayama. So same like this. This is the right nostril you have to close. Through the left you have to take 3 faster and leave 3 slower. And the same you have to do with that. Just close the other nostril and take 3 faster and 3 slower. This is Chandra Bedi Pranayama. Wow, I'm feeling so relaxed. I completed now Chandra Bedi Pranayama and Surya Bedi Pranayama. And let's start now Nadi Bedi Pranayama. So what is Nadi Bedi Pranayama here? Nadi Bedi Pranayama means you have to take from one nostril faster and leave from other nostril. The same you have to continue that 3 faster and leave through other nostril, and 3 slower leave to the other nostril. So see, I am showing you now. This is Nadi Bedi Pranayama. So here Surya Bedi, Chandra Bedi, Nadi Bedi Pranayama. This helps you to leave out the dust particles and to send out the dust particles from our nose, and it leaves out the dust particle from the nose, and it improves your lungs capacity. So friends, please practice pranayama. It's not there is no restriction to age group to practice pranayama. You can practice pranayama from 12 years age to there's no unlimited age. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. Please share, comment and like my video, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. And also don't forget to subscribe.